يلومونني في اشتهاء الحياة وأني للذاتها أرتوي.
They believed in one God, that they believed that, it's not about what color you are.
What makes him deserving of a reward. We live in this world for a short time, and we are tested to believe in God, in the unseen, and therefore this is what makes a person worthy of entering paradise.
I want just to give you a gist, an idea of what actually happened in Europe. And that Islam and Europe do go together. In the contrary, actually, Islam is a big part of Europe, has been a big part of Europe, and as a brother mentioned correctly, in the Balkan Peninsula, even more so because it still has an influence nowadays in the other part of the world, the other side of Europe, than there.
Everything I read within it, it was so pure and it was so simple, I could even explain it to a child. It was easy to understand.
So the whole world is inspired and definitely has an influence coming from Islam and Muslims. No doubt about it.
And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He mentions in the Quran that take the way of pardon. And this is a command, and this is something that we should also reflect on. That Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala constantly in the Quran tells us to forgive others.
None of this 3 in 1, then He had to come, put on, die for our sins, and then if people say, well, Jesus came to die for our sins, why are people still sinning? It didn't really logically make sense, whereas this God said, mankind was created weak, we're always going to sin. God loves to forgive you, so once your intentions are to not do it again, even if you're going to go and do it again, you ask for forgiveness, He'll forgive you, and you repeat the process, you strive to be the best person that you can be consistently for the whole purpose of your life.
The mission of the Prophet ﷺ was to perfect people's character.
But this life that we have here is not an eternal life, it's a short life. And we're all going to die when our time comes. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala concluded those verses with the following: وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ. When it comes to akhirah, Allah didn't say وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُؤْمِنُونَ. He didn't say that they believe the hereafter, but He said they are certain about the hereafter.
So as I mentioned, I was raised a Christian. So to be honest, I was really involved with church life. So I used to even lead church services and stuff. I used to organise Christmas at Christmas time. I was so into it. But looking back now, I realised that the life I was actually living as a Christian was very on the fence. So on Sundays or at church events, I'd be good, yeah, Christian girl, and then the rest of the week I just wouldn't have a strong faith. I wouldn't be firm enough to continue living in that way. So in terms of having a purpose, I always believed, my faith in God was always very strong, and I believed that there was more to life than just what we do every day. And I did have a purpose, but I've only really felt that what I call it a God-shaped hole, and I feel that's what I had for my whole life until becoming a Muslim. Just that something inside you where you know you have a purpose and you want to find it, but you don't know how, and so you try and fill it with other things. That was what I was experiencing, to be honest.
And that's a wrap.
أدرك الحال قبل الأوان من الأسر في عرفنا هو الأسر لله حتى الممات هو الذل يحلو ولا غيره له الذل يحلو